Certainly, Jack. Let me explain this Django-based code in a detailed narrative style, breaking it down step by step, so you can easily use it as a script for an MP3 explanation. Welcome. Today we'll dive into a Django project that blends the power of HTML, CSS, and Django's templating system to create a visually appealing and dynamic web page. Let's explore the code and understand its structure and functionality. Introduction to the style sheet, CSS. The first part of our code snippet is the CSS style sheet located in the file dark.css. This file defines the styling of various elements on the web page. Let's break it down. The .media container class. This class uses Flexbox to arrange video and audio items in a responsive and neatly aligned manner. Flexbox ensures that items are displayed side by side, and with Flex Wrap, items move to the next row if they don't fit on one line. The gap 10px property adds space between the items, while margin left auto and margin right auto center the container. The .media item class. Each media item, such as a video or audio file, is styled here. The items have a dark background color, 2C34, rounded corners, border radius, 10 peaks, and a soft shadow effect, box shadow. These properties give the items a modern and professional look. The .refresh button 2 class. This class defines a styled button. The button is rectangular, has rounded corners, and uses light yellow and black as its color scheme. This makes it visually distinct and easy to spot on the page. Text area styling. The text area is where users might input or view text. It's styled with a dark background, light green text, and a monospace font for a tech-savvy appearance. The overflow X and word wrap properties ensure text displays properly, no matter its length. Introduction to the HTML, index.html. Now let's move on to the HTML part of the project, which is the backbone of our web page. This file, named index.html, defines the structure and layout of the page. The head section. The head contains metadata and links to external resources. The %load static sent tag is unique to Django. It allows us to access static files, such as CSS style sheets or images, stored in the static folder of the Django project. The link tag references the dark.css file to apply the previously defined styles to the page. Additional inline styles are written in the style block. For instance, the page background is set to a dark color with a wallpaper image that repeats vertically and covers the screen. The body section. Inside the body tag lies the main content of the web page. At the top, a heading welcomes visitors with the text, "Welcome to the index page." 2 clickable images, styled with the .media item class, are placed using A tags. These images link to external resources. The first image links to a YouTube video, positioned at the top right corner of the page. The second image links to a website, positioned slightly lower on the page. Following the images, we see multiple buttons created using A tags, styled with the refresh button 2 class. Each button links to a different route in the Django application. View image /show image /. This route might display an image stored in the backend. View text file. Show text. This route could showcase a text file's content, such as logs or notes. Jonna tutorial. This route seems to direct users to a tutorial, perhaps a guide or a learning resource. This route likely displays a gallery of videos. These buttons and links make the page interactive and allow users to navigate different features of the Django application, bringing it all together. In summary, this Django code showcasing static files and routing. The CSS creates a sleek, modern design, while the HTML organizes the content into an intuitive layout. Thanks to Django's static sent tag, we can easily manage and serve our static files. This page can serve as a foundation for various functionalities, such as media displays, tutorials, or user-generated content. It's designed with responsiveness and aesthetics in mind, ensuring a seamless experience for users. That concludes our detailed walkthrough of the code. The explanation helps you understand how each part works and inspires ideas for your projects. Feel free to customize it further to suit your needs. And remember, creativity knows no bounds. Would you like me to enhance this explanation further or help convert it to MP3 directly? You're very welcome, Jack. I'm so glad you liked it. If you need anything else, feel free to ask anytime. Have fun coding and creating. I know your projects are going to be amazing.